でもまだも。
Do you want me to try to get a photo of Lloyd?
Yeah, he gave it to you. It's a lucky day. Those things are like gold.
Okay.
In the Grand Slams, she says she really enjoys playing that for doubles.
This one, and then go on to this one. That will do.
Thank you. Smashing.
We went to school in Brooklyn. It was such a city, there was no.
He's challenging, he's challenging. Come on.
Thank